Story of my life right here. How many threads is there? A buddy of mine was nice enough to donate a car to me and my wife, so we're going to be picking that up this morning. Alright, so I just picked up the trailer. We're on our way to my buddy's house now to go grab the car. Truck's running great, so far so good. So let's keep our fingers crossed.
Go slow, girl. Slow it down, Wildcat. Good.
No, he's rolling it back. Stop.
Sorry.
There you go, I'll get from here. Don't stay in the street though. Hanging a wood, huh? Damn it.
The hook came off?
Probably. No, I think it's still got it though.
Nope.
Damn it. I gotta rehook that. So this is it, a 2006 Chevy Cobalt, donated by a really good friend of ours. Sure, it needs a little love and attention, but that's exactly what we're going to do in the next couple of episodes as we clean up and get this Chevy back on the road.
What if the dam breaks? But if we survive, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644.
Seatbelt side. You want to get that side? So this is the button you hit right here. Take it off.
Yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though.
You got pressure washer now.
So
Ooh, it's dirty. No, you can leave it on.
And we can always restaple it.
No, leave it on. So Super Clean sent us some products. This was their foaming solution. dissolves grease, so we're going to use it on this carpet and see how well it does. We're testing the product. I want to see if it works in the pressure washer. Just going to pour half of it in there. Yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. Hold it real good.
I think I just ate some of it.
Does it taste good?
No, it don't.
Your tongue's probably really clean now.
I wonder if it's purple. Purple clean.
Probably tastes like grape. Be good for that. Then we're going to shoot it with the pressure washer, which has the solution running through it also. And then I'm going to shoot it with clean water after that, let it dry, and show you what we got.
I wait for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new.
This car sat for, I believe, 7 or 8 years, my buddy told me. But all in all, I think once we get these parts on the car and get this thing running, I think it's going to be a good little car. My wife's super excited. She's going to be the one driving the car. To get this run for her. She'll have her own little car, and I'll have my truck back.
Bubbles, and then I seen something doing this.
Don't get close. Where is it at?
It was somewhere like over there or something. I don't know.
It was in the pond?
Yeah, and then like I seen like something, and then like something splashed, and
I don't see nothing, baby.
then what was it?
I don't know.
Well, then what splashed at me?
Whatever it is, it's gone now, my baby.